Hello and welcome to Raymondo Lee. So thank you very much for joining us today. This is just a short upload. So I've just had my card scanned at the National Trust entrance, and what we're going to do, we're going to take a drive down to the car park. So at Clumber Park, there is actually two car parks. There's a car park for people with disabilities, and there's the main car park where everybody else has to park up. So the main car park is situated basically on a beautiful patch of land where there's a field and some picnic tables, and it's a short walk into the Clumber Park grounds. And the disability parking, which is on gravel, I do believe it's on gravel, from what I remember in the past, is you drive straight on down to the house itself and you park pretty much opposite the entrance. So if you've got any kind of disability, it's absolutely brilliant parking, and takes you very close to the entrance to Clumber Park itself, to the house and the where the tour facilities are, the cafe and the shops. So brilliant in that respect. So yeah, this is just a short drive in. Just going to show you where we drove into and parked up. They've made a few changes this year. Since we last visited, they've planted some new trees and made these picnic table areas for you to sit down. And yeah, really nice place to park. So we'll share this with you, and then I'm going to do another recording, which will be me showing you the way out, taking you back onto the main road. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy it. I was parking straight on.
Yeah, we don't park at the end.
Yeah, we did. We used to park on that field that made it into trees now.
It's nice.
My parking.
But we used to have picnics in the car, didn't there? There wasn't anywhere to kick the football.
Someone's water down there or not? Yeah, might as well keep it near the road, haven't I?
Yeah. Yeah, we're not really telling you where to park, are we?
It's not going to be busy enough, I don't think, today to worry about that. I'll park it here. Park it near him.
Yeah, he's not in a bad position, is he?
He's out of the way, isn't he?
Yeah.
Up against the fence.
It's going to have the debate, can we get out that way?
Let's go that way. So I just want to take this opportunity to say many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a short one, like I said. I'll be back again with another one showing you the way out. So thank you and goodbye.